The shield of law enforcement was shattered in Malolos, Bulacan, as a police officer reportedly fueled by jealousy is now facing criminal and administrative complaints after a disturbing video captured him punching and violently throwing a woman to the floor inside their home. Ryan Lasigas has a full report.
This woman collapsed to the floor after being punched by this man inside their house in Malolos, Bulacan. But instead of helping her, the man even closed the door. When the woman recovered, she got up and fought back. But her strength was no match for the man. She was slapped hard, choked, and even thrown from a chair. The man also appeared to be pulling something from his waist. The man in the video turned out to be a police officer assigned to the Malolos PNP. According to Malolos PNP Chief of Police, Police Lieutenant Colonel Romel Hineblazo, jealousy triggered the incident.
Ayon po sa aming investigasyon ay nag-uugat po ito sa tampuhan nila yung pag-off ng location ng ating police na ikinagagalit po ng babae.
Before the incident turned physical, CCTV footage showed the woman apparently confronting the man.
Malakas na kuntog ko na nagpagtitinwali ka sa akin. Pinatay mo yung location mo, bakit?
The police officer has been relieved from his post and reassigned to the Personal Holding and Accounting Unit or PHAU of the Bulacan PPO. He has also been disarmed. The Malolos PNP assured the safety of the victim and their family. PNP Chief Police General Jose Melencio Naratates Jr., the PNP also condemned their fellow officer. The National Police Commissioner Napolcom assured that the abusive police officer will also face consequences.
Kasampahan po natin siya ng Republic Act 9262, yung ating Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004. Especially po dun sa ating section 5A and 5I, yung physical abuse and emotional abuse, respectively.
Ryan Lasigas from the network, Friend New and Better Philippines.